All right, what's up, everybody? Today is Friday. I just left school early. I'm about to go to the junkyard and go pull. Oh, motherfucker! Holy shit! Oh my god! Hold on, I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me flip the camera. Holy shit! That scared the fuck out of me. But like I was saying, guys, I don't know if you guys can see me too well. I have the camera flipped, but oh shit. Okay, but basically, I just got out of school. I'm about to head over to the junkyard. I'm about to go pull a bed. I just hit on my boy Rob. He told me that they got a bed that I'm looking for the truck. So I'm gonna go hook up the trailer and I'm gonna get a bed for this truck right there. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in a little bit as soon as I get all my tools ready and everything. And I head over to the junkyard. All right, guys, so I got the trailer hooked up. And let me just change real quick. All right, so now all I need to do is just grab the tool bag and make sure the trailer is on correctly. Grab a set of gloves. And this time I'm not gonna forget waters. Cause man, that was a bitch last time that I didn't bring any waters. All right, guys, so I'm on my way to the junkyard, como dice los paisas. I'm gonna try to not curse too much in my YouTube videos, like one of my boys said. Okay, so I don't get demonetized or lo que sea. But it's super hot right now. It's 92 degrees. Calorón. Pero queremos verano, right? We all want the summer. So yeah, I'll pick up the camera as soon as I get to the junkyard and I see what's going on with the truck bed. Alright guys, so the truck that I was looking for, this is another one I just found. This is all rusted out. It's all fucked up. But the truck I had originally came for is already, what's it called? Been parted out. So that's great. This one doesn't have anything I need. But that's amazing. So I'll pick up the camera whenever I find one, because I know they had one by the entrance. So, oh yeah, I'm in slides. But I'll pick up the camera right as soon as I find something I need. You guys can see this was the truck that I originally came for. The seats are nice, but it's only got one seat. I don't really need shit in here. Nope. So I'm gonna go to the front because I did see a blue one that they had up there. So I'll let you guys know what I do right now. Alright, no luck guys, but they do got this truck over here. I believe this is shore bed. Doesn't seem to be crashed or anything. So I'm gonna let Rob know, my boy, to see if what's it called? I can get this bed. Alright guys, so I'm leaving the OKQ right now. We had no luck. There's that blue truck over there. So Rob is gonna let me know what's going on with that truck, because that bed is the exact same one that fits. I got the list right here of all the Silverados from 99 to 07 that they got. None of them had beds or they had beds, but they weren't in good condition at all. I think I see another truck over here. Let's see if he has a bed. I'm gonna pull over real quick. I'm gonna take a look at it, and if it's good, shit, I'm gonna hit up Rob right now. We're gonna see what we do. So let me go check it out real quick, and I'll pick up the camera. Oh shit! Never mind. This one's not gonna work. It's the same size, but yeah, this is not gonna work. Puta madre. Just got interior pieces I do need though. Pero tiene agua valiendo. Damn. Oh well. If it's not for me, it's not for me. It doesn't even have the HD grill. It's all good. I'm gonna keep looking. If I can't find one from OKQ, I'll definitely keep looking on Marketplace. Also, I'm gonna drop my new Facebook right here on the screen. I'm gonna pop it up. My old Facebook got deleted. I had too many community guideline strikes or whatever Mark Zuckerberg bitch ass calls it. So yeah, I'm gonna put my Facebook right here on the screen. So make sure to go add me and all that. New Facebook, you know how that shit goes. But yeah, I'll pick up the camera as soon as I get home. I believe I'm gonna remove the cab off the other truck since I gotta take the tranny out. So yeah, pick up the camera in a little bit. Alright guys, so I don't know if there's any correct way to really lift a cab without using a big ass lift. Oh fuck, it's so sunny. But I got one side super lifted up. I don't know if you guys can see. And I'm about to do some little redneck bicep Mickey Mouse. I'm gonna put that on the other jack, start lifting it up. Cause I've seen videos online where people block it up, like put blocks and then just slide the actual frame up under it. But I'm gonna do this my way, cause the only way you learn is with trial and error. So I'll pick up the camera as soon as I either run into a problem, some shit bad happens, or I get the cab lifted up. All right guys, so the frame's fully out. Jesus Christ. I don't know how much confidence I have in the truck being like this, but I'm gonna get that situated right now. Damn. Okay, now that I got all this situated, I'm probably gonna have to buy some jacks for my job, just so this can hold it up a little bit longer. I'm gonna throw it up on the trailer. But I think that's all I'm gonna do in this video. If not, I'll probably, in this video, might be removing the trans as well. I know this might be a short video, but hey, whatever, it happens. But yeah, so I'll catch you guys next video, unless I do end up cutting the trans. But thank you guys for watching. Leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on bell notifications, and I'll see you guys next time.